FORTecX Environmental Group of Canada, working to be a world leader in fast oil recovery technologies and water treatments. FORTecX's foremost aspiration is to help address the worldwide plague of oil and water disasters, such as the mega-contaminated oil and water lakes of Alberta and Kuwait, to the pollution caused by tank washing, as well as the disposal of millions of litres of used oil from ships and garage slops, and not forgetting the accidental ecological tragedies caused by worldwide oil spills. A solution to tackle such ecological problems has been formulated by the chemical engineers at FORTecX with their proprietary formula that speeds up the separation of oil and water. A process that normally takes weeks and even months can now be completed in a mere 100 minutes. The following video demonstration has been carried out in real time using one of FORTecX's leading proprietary formulas for the fast and efficient phase separation of oil and water. This incredible achievement is made possible by using one of FORTecX's leading formulas, codenamed DMRF9, which is a colorless liquid comprising of complex non-toxic ingredients, all of which are biodegradable. The resulting mixture is then efficiently mixed for a given time and then needs to be heat treated at a given temperature. In order to facilitate this demonstration, the technician exchanges the beaker with a preheated sample from the water bath. This treated slop sample is then poured into the left conical flask to phase separate into solids, oil and water. This entire process is now repeated as a second demonstration. The DMRF9 is added at the appropriate stage, the slop is then mixed, and again the beaker is exchanged with a preheated sample from the water bath. After which this beaker is poured into the right conical flask to phase separate into solids, oil and water. Both conical flasks now begin to separate. The left flask is set to allow the separated water to drain away, and the right flask is set to retain the separated oil and water. Once phase separation has occurred, this right conical flask is now simply drained. Firstly, any solids are recovered, then the clear water, and finally the valuable oil is recovered. With heavy metals and other solids settling at the very bottom, the recovered water can now be further treated to remove any other contaminants, and the emergent oil can also be utilized. To complete the demonstration, the technician will now show the purity of the recovered oil. With the use of a stirring rod, the technician soaks it in the reclaimed oil and then successfully burns it off, indicating the purity of the recovered oil. Containing less than 3% water, the oil is ready to be used for fuel, heating and as a base for lubricants. Thank you for watching FORTecX's leading proprietary formulas in action. FORTecX, striving to lead the world in oil recovery and water treatments.